Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy. By the title and the thumbnail of this video, you guys know what kind of review I'm going to be doing here today. And it's a pretty exciting one. I did create a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put my Instagram name right here. I'm most active on my Instagram account, so be sure to follow me on there to engage with me a little bit more. Well, I'm pretty active here too, but I feel like my engagement is a little bit better on Instagram. You guys are more comfortable sending me direct messages than posting something publicly here on YouTube. On my Instagram poll, I created it. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I asked you guys on my Instagram poll which palette you guys wanted to see a review on, and it was between the nude Huda Beauty, the new nude Huda Beauty palette and the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. I went with the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. Let me tell you why. So I was looking at the Huda palette and I was just thinking of what kind of looks I can do with that. I feel like I could have done quite a bit of looks with that palette, honestly. But then I saw this palette in person and I just fell in love with it. But then this bottom row stood out to me because of these two colors here. I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys so that you guys can see why I fell in love with this palette. It looks really gross under my nails. Disregard that. I swear it's not food or shit. It's just, oh shit, I think that's spaghetti. So I wear press-on nails and sometimes like I just paint over whatever design it has on the front. And I get nail polish in the back because I'm like trying to paint the edges of it. Besides the point, but these are the glitters. I could not swatch these because they don't really swatch very pretty because they are press-on glitters. They're not meant to be swatched. And these glitters you're supposed to apply with your fingers, not with a brush. The eyeshadow that took me by surprise is this one here. It's called Clutch Your Pearls. It looks like a white color and you can't see it on camera, but it has like little like reflex. I thought it was gonna be like a really pretty, like a frosty white. To my surprise, it actually came out to be like a purplish pink. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is a really pretty color. Damn it, you can't see it very well on camera. Well, anyway, in person it looks like a really nice pink color, but at the same time it has like a purple shift to it. So I thought that was really pretty because it looks like a frosty white in the palette and it's not. So when I say I was taken by surprise, it wasn't like, oh, what the fuck? It was like more like, oh, I fucking love it. The next eyeshadow that took me by surprise is this one here called Set the Jewel Tone, which is this one here. And if you guys can see it, of course, on camera, it looks blue, right? In person, it kind of does look blue too. All right, and then there it is. That is a really pretty, it's like a purple blue. It's like very unique. Okay, and then this one here is the black color and it's called Coal Under Pressure. On camera, it doesn't look as an intense black as it actually is. I was about to go into detail with how this eyeshadow performed on my eye, but you're gonna have to wait for the review. Then right over here we have this really pretty rose gold. It does have like a color shift as well. It's like a pink and then it looks gold. God, that was so stupid. A rose gold, right? And then the mattes I don't want to swatch because I have done that in the past and I'm just like terrible at swatching. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to do a daytime look using the palette and also a nighttime look, which is the look that I'm currently wearing. Since it is 2 looks, I want to just speed up the tutorial, so it's just going to be all music. And then after both looks are completed, I'm going to go ahead and review the palette for you guys. I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on it. Now, keep in mind, these are my personal thoughts. What may work for me may not work for you, so keep that in mind. Also, if you did get the palette yourself, then it's just to give you inspiration on how to use the palette and how to achieve the looks that I did. Before we get into the video, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications. That's a little bell right next to the subscribe button. It notifies you every time that I do have a new video here on my channel. I appreciate you guys so much for being here today, and let's just go ahead and jump right in.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
My first thoughts, I'm just looking at it. The little box is like really cute. The fact that it says pretty rich on the mirror, it kind of does bother me. If you have the palette yourself and you look into it, you just kind of like feel like there's something in the way there. As far as a color scheme, I think that Too Faced did a really good job. I don't think that I have a palette like this that has like the little glitters and stuff like that, so I really wanted to either get my hands on this or the Huda palette, but this definitely kind of won me over with this bottom row here. As you guys seen in my tutorials, they blended out flawlessly. The mattes are really good in this palette. I didn't get to use like maybe 4 of the eyeshadows from the palette. This is a really black eyeshadow. It's very matte, but it also has like little sparkle reflex, which I love, but I did get a lot of fallout with this eyeshadow, so keep in mind if you are going to use this, make sure that you use packing motions before you try to blend that out. I think I went over everything. I think I explained my thoughts in regards to the palette pretty well. I love this palette so much, and if you wear makeup on an everyday basis or you're working in an office or going to school, I think this is a really good palette for an everyday type of girl. Hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. If you guys want to see more looks with it, then just go ahead and let me know down in the comments. If you did enjoy the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh wait, before you leave, make sure that you do check out my videos that are going to be right over here. And also if you hit the little circle with my picture in it, subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for being here, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!